I always interested in analytics, not just in business side, but like in different areas. I was actually completing a master's degree in jazz music performance. The reason why I switched to business was because I had previous job at venture capital firms, and I had to use a lot of analytics to solve business problems. And I felt like I didn't have enough skills. My name is Daniel Dai, and I'm from the Marketing Analytics program. And I graduated in 2018. The reason why I came to Simon was mainly two reasons. First is really excellent faculty, and Simon really emphasized on the project-based learning. And I thought that was really practical. Also, there's the Eastman School of Music, which is kind of what I'm interested to. So I also took a class over there when I was at Simon. I think marketing research class is my favorite class. We were actually working with some real clients. So one of the biggest projects that we did was with Wegmans. So we did a variety of market research. Finally, after doing the onsite and then also the analytics, and we do like a big presentations to the head of analytics at Wegmans. So they came over to Simon, and we were actually able to present that project to them. I really learned teamwork while doing those projects because everybody had different personalities and we do things differently. And at that process, I really learned how to work with other people. We got through difficulties and then solve the problems. It was not easy, but it was definitely a great experience to learn the teamwork, which is really important at workplace. When I first came to Simon, I really wanted to work for a music streaming company and hoping to land a job in analytics or data analytics. But while I was going through different courses, I find I wasn't really a good fit for just a pure data analytics role. So I sort of switched to pricing strategies and revenue management, that tracking. And I find out really interested in pricing. And that sort of helped me with the career switch. And now the position that I work for is mainly for pricing strategies, and I really love it. I work for Wyndham Destinations. I was an inventory analytics advisor. The training that I had at Simon really helped with my job.